Okay, this SmartStandard pre-assembled white MDF barn door with a black hardware kit is exactly the kind of product I'd recommend to someone who wants a near-turnkey solution. It's pre-drilled, covered in a waterproof PVC coating so it resists scratches and smudges, and the listing calls out an H-frame design for added stability. While dynamic pricing can jump depending on seller and size, SmartStandard shows up frequently in the $130 to $160 range depending on configuration. The listing I examined lists it as a bestseller in the category and emphasizes easy assembly. The real selling point is the pre-finished white surface you can install and go without painting, which reduces post-delivery work and makes it a great choice for bathrooms, closets, or rooms where you want a crisp, clean aesthetic. What do buyers say? Positive reviews highlight the out-of-box convenience, less sanding, less finishing, and a simpler install because the slats are pre-drilled and the hardware is included. Negative reviews mostly center on expectations. If you expect a furniture-grade finish, this is not high lacquer millwork. It's a practical, attractive MDF PVC slab that looks great from normal viewing distance but can show seams on close inspection. A handful of reviewers praise the waterproof surface for bathrooms and pet households, and many say the pre-drilled holes saved them a lot of time. The usual shipping caveat applies. Check for dents or shipping damage and document it within return window. Pros: pre-finished and waterproof PVC surface, hardware included, quick install. Cons: finish is practical rather than premium, and some buyers will want to touch up seams for a showroom look. If you want a white barn door that looks clean and installs fast without painting, SmartStandard's pre-finished kit is a very sensible pick, and of course, we share by links in description box.